it goes a little something like
Hello family, and welcome back to It's Gotta Be Done. Guys, if you are new on this channel, I talk about all things health and well-being, and I bring you guys quick, simple, easy recipes to follow which are extremely healthy for you and for your gut and your overall health and well-being. If you are returning, I love and I appreciate your support. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Guys, as you guys know, I've been following Dr.Sebi list of ingredients, so I'm basically using all the recommended ingredient to make this recipe. So we are basically making kale spinach salad with some quinoa, and I'm going to be frying some zucchini later on. Guys, look at the vibrancy of the color, look at it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, so basically do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Guys, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys are enjoying the recipe. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Guys, I'm basically blending and merging and just, you know, mixing everything well. You know, make sure you use your hands. You know, you using your hand, guys. I've got the gloves on. Using your hand just to get in there with the, you know, be in one with what you're making. You know, don't be shy to really blend everything, because you want the oils, you want the lime, you want the spices to really mix in together so everything can just have full flavor. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just making sure that everything is well combined so it's flavorsome and it's just fully loaded with goodness. And yeah, just don't be shy. Don't be shy. Guys, I'm just gonna now add my shredded Brazil nut. Guys, if you know about nuts, you know some of them are powerhouses, and Brazil nut is a powerhouse, providing healthy fat, antioxidant. It may reduce inflammation and support in brain function and improve thyroid function. So guys, I've added it in there because sometimes if you don't feel like just, you know, eating it, just add it in there. You won't even notice that you're eating it. So right now I'm just gonna make my quinoa. So again, I've got the onion, I've got the sesame oil, and I'm just gonna fry the quinoa. What I've done is, guys, I've taken the pulp out of the zucchini, the courgette, and I'm just gonna fry all of that together. And that's what I'm doing. Guys, if you don't know about quinoa is basically a plant it's basically a plant-based source of protein. It's high in fiber and a source of iron. Again, guys, there's so many foods. Once you get to know, you'll be surprised of the health benefits that they actually provide. So rather than eating your white rice, quinoa is a perfect substitute. Forgive me my pronunciation. Substitute. Quinoa is that one, you know, and it won't bloat you up, because you know when you eat white rice, after, if you eat like a big portion, you feel really bloated and it takes a long time to digest. Quinoa does not do that, guys. It's actually got more fiber than white rice, so you don't need a lot because it's just fully loaded with it. So get to know your quinoa. All you do is you basically boil it, and then you bring it to like a nice texture, softness. You don't want it to be too soggy, and then you drain it. You can mix it like I'm mixing it now, add it into your salad. Have it in a variety of way, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna, you know, add it onto the pot like I've done so, with garlic and ginger, and I've mixed the bell peppers, and I'm just gonna combine it all together. So this is all I'm doing, guys. It looks absolutely fantastic. I love the color of what the meal is looking at the moment and the vibrancy of everything. So that's what I'm doing, guys. So once I'm just letting this simmer for a bit, and I'm gonna just stir it, you know, stir it all. The quinoa is pretty much cooked, the zucchini is cooked, the bell peppers are cooked. I'm just basically combining everything. This is super quick, super easy, and it does not take long, guys. The amazing thing about all these recipes is extremely quick, and it probably takes us as much time to prep than it actually takes to cook. And all I'm gonna do now, just because you know I love my fresh herb, I'm gonna add parsley. And again, parsley is again fully loaded with benefits and, you know, all sorts of goodness. You know, also guys, do your own research. You know, everybody takes food slightly differently. What I prefer may not be to your likeness, but again, mix it according to your ingredients, to your spices, and just make it your own. The good thing about any type of recipe, you always want to make it your own. So right now, all I'm going to fry is my zucchini, again only using sesame oil, which is again perfect for frying. And what I've done is, again, as you guys can see, I've taken the pulp out, and I'm just going to fry this. You don't have to fry if you don't want to use the oil. You can put it in the oven if you wish to, but I wanted to deep fry it, you know. But yes, if you want to reduce your oil consumption, again, put it in the oven, or just steam it, you know, and that's about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe, and this is what my meal looks like. Check you guys in my next video. Bye.